This is my unboxing of the DJI Avata 360. After some experimentation on the FPV drone, I realized a couple of things. The weight was wrong and there wasn't going to be a gimbal to self-stabilize. And so in order to get business up and running, I have opted to go with a drone that is no longer illegal in the US. No new ones can come in, but this one's already here, so we're good to go. It's got sensors on every single side, so it's got full obstacle avoidance, although we aren't going to be able to use that when in sport mode. And that's fine because in order to get through doorways, you don't want a sensor to stop you anyway. That way we can do our inside-outside film. This is fully capable of flying indoors and outdoors. The specialty with this drone is that it has two camera lenses, one on top, one on bottom, and while you are looking in the goggle view, which you can see here, you can look anywhere around you. And so what that does is while we're flying around taking videos for properties, we can essentially fly into a room and then choose what we want to look at and focus on later in editing. In case there's a mess up or maybe something didn't look as good as I thought it did, we can adjust on the fly and it saves time on the front end of recording. So I can get into a place and out of a place in half an hour to an hour, and then I can come back and I can edit, and I can make special edits in any way that I want. That just gives us the flexibility to pretty much produce the outcome that we're going to be most happy with. So while it does include a little bit more post-editing, it is just nicer. Ultimately, I wouldn't use a landing pad most of the areas. I'm just going to take off from indoors or on a driveway, but I actually didn't know they were going to send that with me, so that's kind of nice. It does come with 3 batteries. I have gone ahead and ordered 3 more. They have about 23 minutes of flight time each. The most surprising part about this is the controller. It is kind of if you've seen how virtual reality works with the 2 joysticks that are kind of your hands, works like that. You point where you want to go, and then there's a joystick on it that does up, down, and kind of your tilt and stuff like that. So it's very minimal controls. It actually leaves one hand completely free, which is good in case we want to do the indoor-outdoor and I can slide open doors or grab a drone. I can do whatever I want. And so this thing is the total package and gives us complete flexibility to shoot it how we need it.